cleaning motivation is not something that one person has and another person doesn't. There are things that people can do to become motivated to clean. I want to share 10 simple things that you can do to help motivate you clean your house. If you're looking to clean your entire house or just one room, these tips will help you. Sometimes knowing where to start or knowing what to do can be really overwhelming, and that's why I put together a clean house checklist. It's completely free and you can download it and use it to help you clean your room or house. Living in a clean home doesn't just magically happen. It does take work. You have kids, work, life. The last thing that you want to do is spend the rest of your day cleaning your house. I know when I got home from work, the last thing that I wanted to do was clean because I had to take care of dinner, I had to get the kids ready for bed or the next sporting event. It was like never ever ending. And unfortunately, the house just got dirtier and dirtier because I just didn't have time. I was overwhelmed and I didn't know where to start. In most cases, cleaning really isn't the issue. The issue is lack of motivation, knowing where to start, being overwhelmed with the mess. How do you get motivated to clean? Sometimes it just helps to start. However, that's not always the case, and sometimes it's easier said than done. Do you suffer from messy house depression? Do you even know what messy house depression is? Messy house depression is really just, in other words, being overwhelmed with the clutter or the mess that is surrounding you. You may only feel depressed when you're at home around the mess. This is exhausting and can also lead to becoming depressed. I wish that there was a magic sauce or a magic pill that you could take to know exactly where to start cleaning or how to clean step by step, but every home is different, every layout is different, so it's impossible for me to say, start here and that is the answer to all of your problems. Start cleaning, I always use my checklist. This really helps me stay focused. Again, it's completely free and you can download and print out your own checklist. It has everything to do in a day and in a week to really just help you keep your home clean and kind of catch up with what needs to be done. So I clean in the morning because that's when I have the most energy. When you're full of energy, you're more likely to follow through with those tedious things that you just don't want to do. I have a complete cleaning schedule, and I use this to keep me on track so I know what I need to do when. Create one for yourself and one for your family. Well-stocked cleaning caddy. Now, a cleaning caddy is just a bucket with all of my cleaning supplies and cleaning tools in it in one spot. I have a set routine, so I clean every day. I don't clean everything every day, but I do clean every day, and the routine really helps me know what I need to do when. I have a set cleaning route, so I start and go through the house in the same direction every time. Another thing that I do to really help with the motivation is I remove distractions. I put my phone on Do Not Disturb so I don't hear the ding happen. I love to listen to music while I clean. It really helps me get going and get moving instead of having the TV on, because that's another distraction that I have a hard time with. I go to a couple of my favorite apps. I use iHeartRadio and Spotify and Amazon Music, and sometimes I even pop in one of my favorite CDs to help me clean and get through the monotony of cleaning. So remember, practice does make perfect, and you may not be like perfect at your cleaning routine or becoming motivated to clean the first couple of times you do this. It has taken me years and a lot of trial and error to get through all of the cleaning and to get me to where I'm at now. I loved to reward myself at the beginning of this whole thing because sometimes I just couldn't get off the couch to get the cleaning done. So depending on how bad I needed to reward myself or how bad I really needed to clean would be my reward. So sometimes I would say, okay, I'm going to take myself out to lunch. Other times it might be I'm going to buy myself a new pair of shoes. Whatever it is, I used a reward system for myself to help me stay accountable and clean. Okay, so those were my tips to help me stay motivated to clean. I would love to know, what do you do to help yourself when you don't have any motivation to clean the house? Hopefully I have inspired you to use one or all of the tips that I spoke of today. Don't forget to download the free cleaning checklist to help in your cleaning. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.